Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and this channel is all about looking at the hottest hair trends. Today we are going to focus on some of the most popular hair color ideas that we are going to be seeing this season. Here we have this gorgeous copper color. And then here we have someone with some curly strands getting their hair colored. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hair color ideas, please be sure to like today's video and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone with some grown out color getting a touch up. Absolutely gorgeous. She got slight blonde money piece highlights going in the front. Very subtle and gorgeous. Here we have another radiant blonde, beautiful dimensional tone with the color. Then we see some beautiful chocolate colored hair. Then we see this gorgeous purple undercolor trend. I do have a full video featuring some stunning undercolor hair ideas, so be sure to check that out if you want to see more about that particular hair trend. Then we see this beautiful money piece highlight. Bang! Absolutely love the way that this looks. The pop of pink looks stunning mixed in with the blonde bob. Then we see this lavender colored pixie cut. Next up, we have someone getting a haircut as well as some color. Then we move on to another haircut and hair color transformation. So here's another bob that features the pink undercolor trend. Absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we see someone who is getting a very subtle version of the money piece highlight trend. For even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video.